Cold enough for you? Yeah, almost froze my thermos. Let's get moving.
All right, crew, listen up. Jackson, report to the crane cab. Rodriguez, you're on the ground team. Let's move.
Control, ground team leader. Radio check.
50 foot-pounds on the torque wrench.
Cable tension reading is steady. Checklist complete.
Check. Radio check, cabin 4x4, confirm all green. Base, this is control, radio check.
Read you 5x5, control. ROV team copies.
Testing VOX activation, mic check complete. Soviet cargo ship Volga-7 located as expected. Battery levels are green.
Seals checked, lights functional.
Grabber articulating smoothly. Clear for deployment.
Cable systems cleared. Drums ready for deployment.
Okay, bridle attached. Give me the signal. Thumbs up. Lift it slow. She's swinging.
Meters. 15 meters.
There it is. Confirmed, we have target visual on the Volga 7.
Confirmed visual. Confirmed visual.
We have a clear view of the anchor chain. Proceeding to the main lift points on the foredeck. We have a clear view of the anchor chain. Proceeding to the main lift points on the foredeck.
Approved.
Survey of the Volga 7 crane confirmed. The structure is heavily colonized but does not obstruct the planned lift points. Documented as a navigation hazard.
Unbelievable. It's still set to full ahead. This is quite the discovery.
Side survey approaching completion. Anti-fouling paint visible near the plimsoll marks. Overall condition positive. Moving toward the stern.
Ventilation opening heavily encrusted. Grating intact, confirmed not in the lift path. Sighting small octopus, now retreating.
Look at the size of that propeller. And there's the name, the Volga 7.
Stern lift points approved. All 4 points marked.
Keel inspection is complete. Structural integrity confirmed.
Structure assessment complete. The bilge keels are sound and will not affect lift operations. We note the heavy marine growth.
Side shows different growth patterns, likely due to current exposure. We've documented the midships breach. Survey complete.
The anchor is completely buried. Tension looks good, but we confirm the chain will need to be cut or released.
The wreck of the Volga 7 is now a thriving artificial reef. We're logging significant numbers of juvenile cod.
Attention all personnel, crane is active. Maintain distance from the load.
We need more slack on spool 3.
Copy. Adjusting tension now.
Markings checked. Lubrication satisfactory. Cable 1 approved. Clear for deployment.
Approval callouts hooks cleared.
Load test successful. Connection verified and approved.
Cable's ready. All right, easy now. Keep it fixing to the 45-degree mark. We are nearing the target zone.
Cable lowering initiated. Descent rate holding steady at 2 meters per second. ROV Teals, confirm approach.
Bow section aligned, hooks nearing cleats.
Stern clear, standing by for engagement.
Copy all, proceeding with attachment sequence.
First hook attached.
Port side hook secure, green on all indicators.
Starboard side attached and latched. We are go for lift.
Confirmed, harness established.
Harness verification complete. Bow and stern attachments confirmed green. Cables clear. Lift authorized.
Final check confirms 485 tons, capacity verified, all stations ready for lift.
Supervisor authorizes lift. Proceed.
Cable report stabilizing. You are clear for maximum tension.
That arm is bending way too much.
Keep clear, everyone!
We have liftoff. Passing 175 meters, rate holding at 1 meter per 2 seconds.
Ground to crane, status check on the hold.
Holding steady at 97%, waiting for rotation, go ahead.
Incoming!
Volga 7 is shedding its skin. Look at the color underneath.
Check the hub for the shipyard markings.
Yeah, I see the designation.
Inspection complete. Rotation sequence command, motor pre-check.
Confirmed, green light steady.
Base bearing lubrication.
Pressure nominal.
All stations ready, rotation authorized.
Rotation authorized.
Alignment confirmed. Holding position.
Roger, alignment confirmed. All stations report green.
We confirm authorization for descent.
Confirmed. Initiating controlled descent.
30 meters above pier and descending. Position update, 5 meters to contact.
Steady as she goes. Easy now.
All clear on the bow.
Hold steady. Easy now.
Pier, verify weight transfer complete.
Confirmed, crane. Ship is stable on the bumpers.
Good job on the lift, operator. Pier, confirm weight transfer complete.
Solid copy. Bridge is secure. Well done.
Assessment confirmed. Release authorization granted.
This is Volga 7. Ready for first release, over. One down. One down, 3 to go. Ship free. Crane custody ended. Pier custody begun.
Volga 7 retraction sequence complete. Roger that. Milestone acknowledged. Good work.
All right, team, remember the protocol for the Volga 7? We need systematic documentation of all marine growth.
This is Pier Ops Foreman confirming Volga 7 is fully secured and stable. We are transitioning to maintenance protocols.
Volga 7 inspection team to surface. We have significant coral growth here. Repeat, significant Caryophilia specimens on the hull.
Look at that, a hermit crab.
Oh, we should get it back to the water.
Here on the hull of the Volga 7, we see clear evidence of ecosystem displacement. This purple sea...
As the Volga 7 is exposed to the air, these vibrant Hymenocydon and Halichondria colonies begin to deflate.
A perfect specimen.
Absolutely stunning. Look at that camouflage. It really is an ancient survivor.
Beginning the inventory. Large trawl net section tangled with heavy monofilament. Numerous plastic fragments.
This stratigraphy is a time capsule. We can trace the maintenance history right up to the bare metal here, where the corrosion took hold. 12.5, next one 11.9. Pitting is localized, but the overall average is acceptable.
Agreed, well within limits. She's structurally
This was
sound.
their home. So sad.
Look, the hammer and sickle. It's unmistakable.
This confirms the Volga 7 identity. We need to document everything for the historical record.
Look at the corrosion here.
As you can see, the locking mechanism here is completely frozen. This confirms the davit was deployed, but the corrosion suggests it failed to release the boat.
Got it. Volga 7, 1983.
Confirmed. I have the shots. Identity confirmed. This is definitely her.
Control, this is Unit 4. Perimeter established around the Volga 7. No irregularities to report. Over.
The Volga 7 is stable on the bumpers. Weather is calm, but interior access is strictly prohibited. Here are your shift assignments.
No significant changes. Ship is stable, but watch the drainage near the stern.
All right, day 2 upgrades begin.
Documenting sample A1 from the Volga 7 hull. Heavily encrusted barnacles removed via chisel. Coordinates logged. Proceeding to the next site as per protocol.
We're seeing localized corrosion approaching the limit here. Comparing the ultrasonic data to the specification.
It says lifeboat station right here in Cyrillic. And the records confer this layout matches the 1980s.
Remember the confined space protocol. We've got potential air quality issues and structural hazards.
Surface, this is Volga Team 1. Radio check, over.
What is that smell? We finally did it.
This is unbelievable. It's a perfect time capsule.
Look at the details on the console. It's all Cyrillic.
Samples are accounted for and secure.
Good. We'll take it from here. The perimeter is stable.
The structural assessment confirms stability, but the ecosystem is unique.
The historical records clarify
Pressure washing operation has commenced. We are achieving full clearance on the first pass.
Jets are clearing it fast.
Incredible transformation. We hit the milestone.
Recovered from compartment 159. Corrosion is significant.
Ready for transfer to the stabilization bath.
Volga 7. Look at the casting marks here. Absolutely stunning condition after all these years.
And that's the final stroke on the 7. She has her name back.
After all these years, Volga 7 is whole
Eternal
again.
memory to your servants, the deceased crew of the Volga 7. We remember those lost.
The Volga 7 will become the centerpiece of our new maritime history exhibit. We are committed to the
Section here is where the crew lived.
It's much bigger than I thought.
My father served on a sister ship back in '75.
We are thrilled to have the public involved. This education program ensures these maritime trades are not forgotten. This marks the successful completion of the hull replacement. A huge step forward for the project.
Engine room access achieved. It's massive.
Look at the throttle. The corrosion is heavy.
The restoration took 2 years, focusing on historical accuracy.
The original crew quarters are accessible.
Restoration is truly remarkable.
I can't believe we are finally here.
Make way, please. The minister is arriving.
We brought her up from the depths, and now she sails again. It is a testament to our hard work.
As you can hear on your guides, the ship primarily carried timber.
So how long did it take to cross the ocean?
Welcome aboard the Volga 7 evening tour. Please watch your step as we board and enjoy the anniversary.
The Volga 7 wasn't just a job, it was the culmination of everything we worked for. Thank you all, it truly means the world.
If you touch the rust here, you can feel the texture.
Wow, it's really bumpy. How did it sink?
That's a great question. It actually didn't sink.
Мой братишка, ты всегда будешь здесь с нами. Мы помним тебя.
Все хорошо, мама. Он гордился бы
I've never
тобой.
seen anything like the Volga 7 before. It was massive.
Okay, hold that. Now, can you step slightly to the left, looking out the porthole?
Volga requires continuous care. We must address this corrosion immediately.
Once the assessment is complete, we'll be ready for the summer season.
5 years ago, we saved the Volga 7. Today, we celebrate its future.
This award belongs to the entire salvage team. Thank you.
Your strategies are groundbreaking. Here's my card. We must discuss replication.
Difficult work, and we remember those who are no longer with us. But the success of this decade proves it was all worth it.
See on the Volga 7, the rigging calculations here are critical for stability.
How does the environmental impact assessment affect the timeline, Professor?
This model represents the ship exactly as it was found, including the marine growth you see here.
It's finally done. The Volga 7 paper is officially accepted. This is huge for the department.
This is him, right before he left on the Volga.
He looks just like my father did then. We waited for months.
So the Volga 7 begins her new life. A toast to her peaceful existence.
Cheers.
Thank you, Captain. This was truly spectacular.
Control, this is Volga 7 security. Routine check complete. All is quiet.
The structural report confirms the vessel is stable and sound after 20 years. With millions served and a
Once just a vessel, the Volga 7 is now part of the city's very identity, a true landmark.
The photogrammetry data is syncing now. The digital twin is almost complete.
The AI's predictive models suggest.
He dedicated thousands of hours preserving the stories of the Volga 7. This compass symbolizes...
Welcome, descendants, to the Centennial Celebration.
Preservation is a conversation with time. We speak to the future through what we save. This vessel
Storm is
our...
coming. Hard to port. Full speed ahead, Captain. Make sure you plot that new course, Volga 7.